All right, now we're on lesson 37. We're talking about inequalities. I've written down the inequality symbols here. So this would be greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than and equal to, and less than or equal to. Okay, so all of these things mean something, and hopefully you've seen all of them in your work before, but we're going to learn how to use a number line and graph an inequality. Okay, so they give an example problem on page 150. It's example 37.1, and they say, draw a number line, which is what I did right here, and graph the solution of x is greater than 2. So we need to find 2 on our number line, and we're going to put a dot or circle there. Okay, now this is important. An open circle like this means that the answer does not include this number. So x is not equal to 2. There's no equal sign here. It's greater than 2. So you have to leave this open and say, okay, starting at 2, but not including 2, is the solution to your problem. Okay? Now you need to figure out, okay, greater than 2, x is greater than 2, then that means it's all the answers that are going this way that are bigger. Okay, so x is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. We know that that's right. 4 is greater than 2. We know that's right. We can't put 1 in there because 1 is not greater than 2. Okay, that's why there's no arrow, there's no line on this side. It starts at x is greater than 2 and it goes up. All right, so let's say that we have this as an example. X is less than or equal to 5. We have to draw our number line right here, which is just a line. You put your hash marks in and you start labeling your lines. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, I'm pretty sure most all of you guys know how to do this. Okay. It says x is less than or equal to 5, so you have to find 5 on your number line, and you're going to put a dot, remember? Now, this time, it's equal to 5, so we have to color in our dot. This is to indicate, to let us know that our answer, our x answer, is actually including the number 5. Now, x is less than or equal to 5, so it's going to be any number this way on our number line, okay? So we drew our number line, then we put our dot at our 5, and we circled it in because it equals 5, and then it's every number less than that, okay? Now you need to put this line, this arrow tip right here because it means it keeps going. So it's going to keep going to negative infinity over here because negative infinity is less than or equal to 5. So that's still a solution. -1 million is less than 5. -1,000 is less than 5. So you have to keep this little arrow here because it means the answers keep going. You can't just draw the line and then stop. So symbols are very important in math. All right, last example here. Let's pretend that we are given a line graph like this, a number line, and it's graphed. What kind of equation can we make given this information? Okay, so we're going to start by saying x. X is something, okay? So where does our line, our special arrow, our blue one start? Well, it starts at 1. So x something 1. Is it equal to? No, because it's an open circle. Is the arrow going to the right, meaning bigger, or the left, meaning less? It's going to the right, so it's bigger. So x is greater than 1. Okay, could be 1.5, could be 1 and 1/1,000,000th. It doesn't matter. X is going to be any number that's bigger than 1. That's what this graph says. So sometimes you'll be given the graph and you have to come up with the equation. Sometimes you'll start with the equation and you'll have to come up with the graph.